chapter, trigonometric equations. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 8. Last part completed, impounded 4 marks problem. Find the solution between the intervals model problems. Today discuss somewhat different model problems. If tan of pi cos theta is equal to cot of pi sin theta, then prove that cos of theta minus pi by 4 equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is very important. First of all, what is the given point? Given that tan of pi cos theta is equal to cot of pi sin theta. This is the given value. In this value, cot theta is equal to you can write tan of pi by 2 minus theta, correct or not? 90 minus theta, which coordinate? First coordinate, tan is positive, 90 is odd function, tan get right cot. This is also be correct. Cot theta is equal to tan of minus of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus theta. This is you can write. This is correct or not? Tan, this can be as minus of pi by 2 minus theta. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Pi by 2 minus theta, which coordinate? First coordinate. Here you can make pi by 2 minus theta. Minus pi by 2 minus theta nothing but pi by 2 plus theta. You can common tan of minus theta minus tan of pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta lies on which coordinate? Second coordinate. Tan is negative. That's why negative into negative positive. 90 is odd function, tan can be written as cot. This is a way. That's why you can write in this cot theta, tan of pi by 2 minus theta correct. Tan of minus pi by 2 minus theta also be correct. That's why you can write cot theta is equal to tan of plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2. You can write plus or minus pi by 2 minus theta. Understood or not? Plus pi by 2 minus theta, that is also be cot theta. Minus pi by 2 minus theta, that is also be cot theta. You can write combination of these two, that is plus or minus pi by 2 minus theta. This is the key point of in this problem. In this problem, this is very important point. That's why you can write tan of pi cos theta equal to here this total theta cot theta. Cot theta you can write tan of plus or minus pi by 2 minus theta. What is the value of theta? Theta value is pi sin theta. Here tan get cancelled. Understood or not, friends? Cot theta equal to tan of plus or minus pi by 2 minus theta. Tan of plus or minus pi by 2 minus theta value is what here? Pi sin theta. After that you can write pi cos theta is equal to plus or minus pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. You can write this minus pi goes to here, pi cos theta plus pi sin theta is equal to plus or minus pi by 2. This minus goes to here, that is plus. After that, this 2 term you can common minus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to plus or minus pi by 2. Here pi get cancelled. Remain what here? Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Here in this show that prove that answer ratio cos. Nothing but you can write in terms of cos formula. This equation converted to in terms of cos. That's why this one is multiplying on both sides. Multiplying on both sides 1 by root 2. Multiplying on both sides 1 by root 2. You get what? 1 by root 2 into cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Here we can write 1 into cos theta, 1 into sin theta. That value is not changed. That's why you can write cos theta into 1 into 1 by root 2. You can write 1 by root 2. Sin theta into 1 into 1 by root 2. You can write 1 by root 2. 1 into 1 by 2 into root 2. You can write 2 root 2. Okay, students. After that, cos theta into 1 by root 2 you can write cos which angle 1 by root 2? Cos 45 cos pi by 4 plus sin theta into 1 by root 2 sin which angle? Sin pi by 4 also be 1 by root 2 sin 45 that is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Here plus or minus is there. You can write plus or minus. Here also be plus or minus. Here also be plus or minus. Here plus or minus is there. Write down. Here also total plus or minus. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? Cos of A minus B. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write cos A value is theta, cos B value is 5 by 4. You can write cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula. Cos of A minus B. Cos of A theta minus B value is 5 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. This is the correct answer now. Check students. Cos of theta minus 5 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is very important repeated problem in IB examination. In this problem you can do that. This is a very important key point. This is key point of in this problem. This formulas you get easily coming to the total answer. Next problem is find the value of x in the interval minus pi comma pi. Which interval? Minus pi comma pi interval. Satisfying the equation. 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus and so on infinity. That is equal to 4 power 3. First of all, given that equation is what is the given that 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus and so on infinity is equal to 4 power 3. This can be written as 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus and so on infinity equal to 4 cube value how much? 4 cube value how much? 4 cube nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. That's why you can write 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus and so on infinity equal to. You can write 64. 8 square. 8 8s are 64. That's why here exponent bases are equal. Powers also be equal. That's why 1 plus cos x plus cos x plus also infinity equal to 2. This can be written as 1 plus cos x plus cos x whole square plus also infinity is equal to 2. You can write this is 1 plus x plus x square plus also infinity equal to 1 by 1 minus x. This one is the formula. What is that formula? 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 x power 5 and so on infinity value is 1 by 1 minus x. This one is the formula. In this formula, x value is what here? X value is cos x. Here also be cos x. That's why you can write x value is cos x. 1 by 1 minus x value is cos x is equal to 2 by 1. Then cross multiply. 1 into 1 1. 2 into 1 minus cos x is equal to 1. Okay, students. 2 into 1 minus cos x equal to 1 into 1 1. 1 minus cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Understood or not? 1 minus cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Then this value goes to here, this value here. Minus cos x equal to 35 plus cos x. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 we have to take LCM. That is 2 minus 1. You get cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Here cos x is equal to cos which angle 1 by 2? Cos how many degrees 1 by 2? You know that or not? Don't know. Cos which angle 1 by 2? Cos 30. How much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60. 1 by 2. That's why you can write in place of 1 by 2 cos 60. 60 nothing but 5 by how many? 5 by 3. This is the principal solution alpha. This is the value theta. The general solution of cos theta is equal to k. Cos theta is equal to k is theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha n belongs to Z. This is the formula. Correct or not, check students. First, here given one is a over 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus cos 1 infinity equal to 4 cube nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, that is 64. 64 can be written as 8 square. Here, this is exponent, this is exponent. In this exponent, bases are equal, powers also be equal. Here, exponent bases are equal, power also be equal. 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus so on infinity equal to 2. Then 1 plus cos x plus cos square x nothing but cos x whole square plus so on infinity equal to 2. Here you can write formula 1 plus x square plus so on infinity equal to 1 by 1 minus x. This formula is the binomial theorem chapter. This formula you can write. That's why 1 by 1 minus x value is cos x is equal to 2 by 1. Cross multiply 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 minus cos x, 2 into 1 minus cos x. After that 1 minus cos x equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus cos x equal to 1 by 2. Then minus cos x goes to here, plus cos x 1 by 2 goes to that, 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 cos x equal to, then cos x equal to, take let's say 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 we can write 1 by 2. Cos x equal to 1 by 2. Cos which angle 1 by 2? Cos 60, nothing but 5 by 3. Here this 5 by 3 is of the principal angle, this x is the theta angle. The general solution of cos theta equal to k is theta equal to 2n by plus or minus alpha. Here n belongs to integer. The theta value is x is equal to 2n by plus or minus alpha. Alpha value is what here? 5 by 3. Alpha is what here? 5 by 3. After that n belongs to Z. You can find a solution interval between minus pi to pi. First you can write if n equal to 0. If n equal to 0, you get x equal to plus or minus 5 by 3. Plus or minus 5 by 3 nothing but 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Here 5 by 3 nothing but 60 degrees. Minus 60 plus 60 lies between this interval. These two values are possible. After that, if n equal to 1, x is equal to 2 pi plus or minus 5 by 3. You can write 2 pi plus 5 by 3 is the one value. 2 pi minus 5 by 3 is the second value. This can be written as 7 pi by 3 is the one value. 7 pi by 3 is the one value. 5 pi by 3 is the second value. Pi by 3 nothing but 60 degrees. 60, 7 6 42. 420 degrees. This is not lies between 180 minus 180 to 180. Here 5 by 60. 60 into 5. This is also be not lies between. That's why n equal to 0 completed. Next, if n equal to minus 1. N equal to 1 not satisfied. N equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyone not satisfied. That's why you can put negative values. Here negative is there. You have to take negative values. N equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2 pi plus or minus 5 by 3. You can write minus 2 pi plus 5 by 3 is the one value, minus 2 pi minus 5 by 3 is the another value. Minus 2 pi nothing but minus 6 pi plus 5. Minus 6 pi plus 5, 5 pi by 3. Here minus 6 pi minus 5, minus 7 pi by 3. Here 5 by 3 nothing but 60 degrees. 60 into 7, 420. This is not possible. 60 into 5, 130. This is also be not possible. That's why therefore solutions. How many solutions are possible? Only two solutions. One is minus 5 by 3. Another one is plus 5 by 3. One is minus 60 degrees. Another plus 60 degrees. This is the unexpected 4 marks problem in IP examination. Today class explained two problems are very important in IP examination.